Neville Goddard, Power of Awareness, chapter 27, Reverence. Never wouldst thou have made anything if thou hadst not loved it. Wisdom 11:24. Here we are in the final chapter. Never wouldst thou have made anything if thou hadst not loved it. In all creation, in all eternity, in all realms of your infinite being, the most wonderful fact is that which is stressed in the first chapter of this book. You are God. You are the I am that I am. You are consciousness. You are the creator. This is the mystery. This is the great secret known by the seers, prophets, and mystics throughout the ages. This is the truth that you can never know intellectually. Ain't that the truth? Who is this you? That it is you, John Jones or Mary Smith, is absurd. It is the consciousness which knows that you are John Jones or Mary Smith, the consciousness. I am all that is, God. It is your greater self, your deeper self, your infinite being. Call it what you will. The important thing is that it is within you. It is you. It is your world. It is this fact that underlies the immutable law of assumption. It is upon this fact that your very existence is built. It is this fact that the foundation of every chapter of this book. It is this fact that is the foundation of every chapter of this book. No, you cannot know this intellectually. You cannot debate it. You cannot substantiate it. I love it. I love the ridiculousness of how that sounds, even. You can only feel it. You can only be aware of it. And when it comes upon you, I promise you, hold on. Becoming aware of it, one great emotion permeates your being. You live with the perpetual feeling of reverence. The knowledge that your Creator is the very self of yourself and never would have made you had He not loved you must fill your heart with devotion. Yes, with adoration. One knowing glimpse of the world about you at any single instant of time is sufficient to fill you with profound awe and a feeling of worship. It's when your feeling of reverence is most intense that you are closest to God. And when you are closest to God, your life is richest. Our deepest feelings are precisely those we are least able to express. And even in the act of adoration, silence is our highest praise. Man, oh man, oh man. Manifestation. It is, and I have to add, there's not much to add to this chapter, except once you feel it, meaning the word streaming through you and the knowingness of you being Him, you only want more. But along that path, it's not easy. Oh, it wasn't for me. Excuse me. I'm not saying anything for you because it can be easy to some people. Some people have a very good use of their imagination. I just happened to have a very good one in the beginning and then got taught by these things called schools to not use it. Now I've returned to it, and it's taken me quite a gallop to get here. But I'm here to tell you what this chapter is saying is that once you feel it, once you know it, once you sense it, it isn't about raising a flag and showing it. It's not possible. But once you do know it, you will want more and more and more of it. And that's why I want to bring this together in this way, going over His works, the books, all of them, and use this as a study guide to have a path for us. We need to have a path with breakdown, commentary, experience of it, and your experience of it in the comments. All of this brings this to a wonderful peak. A peak of knowing others are also attaining this. So it is possible. It's possible for me, not just you. I see all these YouTubers doing this kind of thing and all that. They've done it longer than me, and I'm not going to win at this. No, yes, you are going to win at this. If you're looking in this direction, you are going to succeed at this. Totally. Don't even be concerned. You're going to succeed. If you've gone through the videos this far and you made it to this final chapter, you are going to succeed at becoming a master manifester. I am a master manifester. I am that I am. You are going to become it because you're here. You're in the right place. You're just getting rid of those distractions and applying. All right. What a great book. Okay. We'll see you in the next one.